Hosting memorable events requires meticulous attention to every detail, and nothing disappoints guests more quickly than lukewarm food that has lost its appeal and flavor. Professional caterers understand that maintaining optimal serving temperatures throughout extended gatherings separates exceptional events from mediocre experiences. The Alpha Living 6-pack Disposable Chafing Dish Buffet set delivers professional-grade food warming capabilities to home entertainers, amateur caterers, and event planners seeking reliable solutions without complicated equipment or extensive cleanup requirements. This comprehensive buffet warmer set transforms ordinary gatherings into impressive culinary experiences by ensuring every dish maintains its ideal serving temperature from the first guest through the final plate. The complete package eliminates the frustrating experience of assembling components from multiple sources, providing everything needed for immediate deployment at your next celebration. The Alpha Living Chafing Dish set distinguishes itself through genuinely complete packaging that anticipates every requirement for successful buffet presentation. Unlike competitors offering partial solutions requiring additional purchases, this catering supplies package arrives ready for immediate use without supplementary shopping trips or last-minute scrambling for missing components. The comprehensive set includes 6 sturdy wire racks providing stable foundations for elevated food warming. 6 premium aluminum half-size pans accommodate generous portions suitable for groups of various sizes, while 6 high-quality fuel cans deliver hours of consistent heating performance. The thoughtful inclusion of 3 complete utensil sets ensures proper serving tools accompany your food presentation without requiring separate purchases or improvised solutions using household items. This food warmers for parties package recognizes that successful event hosting demands seamless execution, and missing components create unnecessary stress during already busy preparation periods. The all-inclusive approach enables confident planning, knowing every essential element awaits deployment when your event day arrives. Quality concerns rightfully occupy significant importance when selecting products contacting consumable items. The Alpha Living Disposable Chafing Dish Buffet set addresses these concerns through premium 100% food-grade aluminum construction that ensures complete safety for all serving applications. This material selection reflects genuine commitment to guest welfare rather than cost-cutting compromises that characterize inferior alternatives. The aluminum pans deliver exceptional heat conductivity, distributing warmth evenly across food surfaces to eliminate cold spots that compromise serving quality. This thermal performance ensures consistent temperatures whether serving from pan centers or edges, maintaining uniform quality throughout extended buffet service periods. The durable construction resists warping and deformation under heat exposure, preserving attractive presentation throughout your event duration. The welded body construction of the warming trays provides enhanced structural integrity compared to folded or crimped alternatives prone to separation under stress. This manufacturing approach creates seamless containers that prevent leakage and maintain reliable performance throughout demanding service conditions. The Alpha Living Chafers and Buffet Warmers excel across remarkably diverse event categories, adapting effortlessly to formal and casual occasions alike. Wedding receptions benefit tremendously from professional quality food presentation that maintains culinary excellence throughout extended celebration periods. The elegant appearance complements formal table settings while delivering reliable performance that supports catering success. Birthday celebrations, graduation parties, and anniversary gatherings all present opportunities for impressive buffet presentations that elevate ordinary occasions into memorable experiences. The chafing pan set enables hosts to offer restaurant-quality service without professional catering expenses, democratizing exceptional food presentation for budget-conscious entertainers. Corporate events and workplace gatherings demand professional presentation standards that reflect organizational quality. The Alpha Living Buffet set delivers appropriate sophistication for business luncheons, employee appreciation events, client meetings, and office celebrations where appearance matters alongside functionality. Outdoor applications including barbecue sessions, tailgate parties, and backyard celebrations benefit from portable warming solutions that maintain food safety temperatures regardless of ambient conditions. The self-contained fuel system operates independently of electrical connections, enabling deployment anywhere your event takes you. Event preparation demands efficiency, and the Alpha Living Chafing Server Set Buffet delivers straightforward assembly that minimizes setup time while maximizing presentation impact. The intuitive design requires no specialized knowledge or experience, enabling first-time users to achieve professional results without frustration or confusion. Wire racks position quickly, fuel cans insert easily into designated holders, and aluminum pans settle securely into warming positions within minutes. This rapid deployment capability proves invaluable during busy event preparation periods when countless details compete for attention simultaneously. The cleanup advantages represent perhaps the most appreciated benefit among experienced event hosts. Traditional chafing equipment requires extensive washing, drying, and storage that extends post-event work for hours. The disposable nature of these catering supplies enables responsible disposal after use, eliminating scrubbing, sanitizing, and storage requirements that burden conventional alternatives. For environmentally conscious users, the aluminum pans accommodate recycling programs, supporting sustainability goals while delivering convenience benefits. The wire racks prove sufficiently durable for multiple uses, providing ongoing value beyond single event applications for those preferring reusable options. Hiring professional catering services for modest gatherings often proves economically impractical despite hosts desiring elevated presentation quality. The Alpha Living Disposable Chafing Dish Buffet set bridges this gap by delivering professional-grade equipment at accessible price points suitable for personal event budgets. The cost-per-use calculation favors this comprehensive set significantly compared to rental alternatives that add delivery fees, damage deposits, and return logistics to basic pricing. Ownership eliminates coordination requirements and scheduling dependencies that complicate rental arrangements, providing complete control over your event planning timeline. The professional appearance achieved through this warming trays system rivals equipment used by established catering companies, enabling impressive presentations that exceed guest expectations without corresponding expense. This value proposition democratizes exceptional food service for households of all budget levels. Final verdict. The Alpha Living 6-pack Disposable Chafing Dish Buffet set delivers exceptional value through comprehensive packaging, premium construction quality, and versatile functionality suitable for countless event applications. The complete inclusion of racks, pans, fuel, and utensils eliminates supplementary purchase requirements, while the food-grade aluminum construction ensures guest safety and regulatory compliance. Whether hosting intimate family gatherings or coordinating larger celebrations, this buffet warmer set provides the professional quality food warming capabilities necessary for memorable culinary experiences. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and elevate your next event with professional-grade food presentation. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.